Pauline, styled by Sabrina, and model number 2, Darlene, styled by Sabrina. Model number 3 is Dee Dee, styled by Talvia, and model number 4, Tequila, also styled by Talvia. Model number 5 is Kamal, styled by Camilla, and model number 6 is Marie, styled by Camilla. While the judges are examining all of the looks, let me remind you of the criteria that they're judging on: neatness, style, technique, creative and artistic design, and total look. I will also go ahead and let you know about our fabulous prizes for the winners. Third place will be ranked among Atlanta's best Sisterlocks stylists and will win a prize of $150. Second place, also ranked among Atlanta's best Sisterlocks stylists, will win $250. And our first prize winner will be given the title of Atlanta's Year's Best Sisterlocks Stylist, will win a prize of $500, and will also have a photo spread featured in Hot Atlanta magazine, as well as in Sisterlocks Lifestyle Journal. So the stakes are high.